Ladies and gentlemen, today is the day where we go from an Apple iPhone 13, which I've been using for probably close to 2 years now, to a Samsung Galaxy S23 right here, making the switch back to Android, and I'm excited for a couple of reasons. Number one, you probably noticed this microphone on here sounds a lot better than what I traditionally use. Number one, customization. I miss being able to tweak my Android to cover basically whatever I want. Number two, just a 120 hertz refresh rate on a screen. I know you can get that with an iPhone, but you have to pay for the Pro model. The fact that you can get that on the baseline S23 lineup in most Android phones now, even budget Android phones, is kind of crazy. So those are like the two major things I'm excited about. Also, the camera should be better than my iPhone 13 currently, since this phone literally came out this year. So we're going to do a quick unboxing of it, ladies and gentlemen, and I will walk you through what comes in the box. Maybe I'll save a separate first impressions and setup video for something else. But if you guys enjoy this, subscribe, like the video, share it, do that sort of thing. Appreciate you guys. Over 1,000 subscribers now on this channel, 1,085 roughly, and we're going strong. So yeah, definitely let me know if you like this sort of content. So let's hop right into it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's hop right into it. I'm gonna apologize in advance for this filming quality. I really need to get a dedicated filming setup, and it bothers me that I don't have any space. As you can see, my desk is so cramped because this isn't the desk I work on. We have monitors and stuff, but what have you. I'm gonna work on fixing that, and I'm sorry. So Galaxy S23 right here, it's kind of tough to pick up on camera, but you can see the outline of the device here with the triple camera setup, wide, ultra wide, telephoto, Galaxy S23. I already cut the tape and stuff, but here's sort of the branding on it. I know it's tough to read, but basically what comes in the box, and they've been doing this for a couple years now, going back to the S21 days when I bought that phone, I reviewed that. You get the cable, data and charging cable, you get the warranty, you get the phone, and essentially that's it. Like, these unboxing experiences are pretty boring now. But if we take this off, here is the stuff. It's kind of interesting packaging, making room for the punch out on the camera, but I think this is probably like that warranty stuff. Yeah. Start guide, terms and conditions, and a SIM card ejector spool, because this still allows you to use a SIM card, so you don't need to do eSIM. So that's what's in this package. This is basically identical to when I unboxed the S21, and that sort of thing. So let's put this off to the side because no one really cares about that. Here we have the device. The cameras are honestly huge, bigger than I was expecting. There's a little pull tab right here. You lift this up, and we have the device. As you can see, put that to the side, and we have some stuff. Please remove before you power up the new phone. Here's the model number, SIM card, and some symbols there. Nothing else here. Oh, and I probably missed this because I forget a lot of things. The charging cable is in here. In the quick start guide, I completely missed this. So here we have the cable, USB-C to USB-C. You can transfer data over from other devices, and Samsung has a system for that. I think it's called Samsung Flow. I can't remember off the top of my head, or Samsung whatever, but you download that app on your old device and start the transfer setup. You can do that wireless or in wired mode, depending on your internet speed. Obviously, wired is going to be faster. We have this thing that was on the rear of the device. I don't know. Just protect the back of it. This nice phantom black color, which looks super clean in my opinion. Wow, so they kind of went with the iPhone sort of look here with these aluminum rails on the side and the top. Definitely makes this phone feel premium, and honestly this phone is like super compact. relative to other devices that are coming out these days, which I really like. Hole punch cutout at the top, microphone, I think it's a microphone, triple camera setup on the back, got some fingerprints on here already, triple camera setup, as I said, flash, volume rocker here, power button, USB Type-C with fast transfer speeds, as well as a speaker and the SIM card slot. Nothing on the left-hand side. Yeah, I think that's about it. I mean, here's the most satisfying thing ever. That was very, very satisfying. That rivals iPhone sort of standards. And let's see if I can take this off without getting like residue on it. Put that over there. So yeah, here it is. I think we also have some plastic on this side. Okay, people, plastic is removed. This is what the phone looks like. I don't see any sort of plastic on the camera lens. It's kind of hard to see if there's any. I doubt it. We can actually look at the camera app if there is, but let's power this thing on and see if we got any juice. I'll probably do a separate like setup video in my next video, but overall the quality feels good. You know, I'm used to sort of Samsung quality. This feels like a very premium device. I like the matte sort of glass back combination. Definitely different from my my old S21, which is plastic, but still I like the matte finish, aluminum rails. A little bit sharper in my hand. Not terrible since they rounded off the edges a little bit, but definitely nice slab of glass, if that makes sense. We'll hold the power button, see if anything happens. And we got some juice. Samsung Galaxy, secured by Knox, which is their like security service, powered by Android, and that sort of thing. So, new device, looking pretty clean. It's gonna load up. And we got the welcome tab. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna do my best to set this thing up, and I guess the next video you'll see is probably like a first impressions sort of video on here. I'm not gonna run you through this. This is kind of boring, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I will see you guys in the next video from Tech with Scott. Peace out, everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel, and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.